Okay, so today we're gonna be teaching you how to find the arc length of a function, L. Basically, it's one of the simplest things you'll have done in calculus all year. It is the integral of your function from a to b of the square root of 1 plus the derivative squared. So that'll give you L, which is your arc length. Now, we're going to start off with a simple problem. It's going to be sine of x. Ignore the teachers in the background. And we're going to be finding the sine of x from 0 to 2 pi. Okay, so to walk you through it, again, it's really simple. The integral from 0 to 2 pi of the square root of 1 plus, and the derivative of sine is cosine. So cosine x squared. So your little dx thing there, which I always forget. And now it's really simple. You can plug this into the calculator. You can do it by hand, but those are hideous and ugly. The answer to this one is 7.640. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now, it is, again, one of the easiest things that you can do in calculus so far. Much easier than integrating by parts, which I dearly hate. And the way you do this on the calculator, if you haven't learned it already, is you go to math, and second from the bottom, I think, it's called function integer. So, F-N-I-N-T. So you're going to press on that button, and then it's going to give you this. In there, you are going to put this right here, and that's just going to go right there. 1 plus cosine squared x. Okay, then you put a comma. Then you put your variable, which in this case is going to be x. Then you put your lower limit, which is 0. And then you put your upper limit, which is 2 pi. So, that's how it's going to go in on your calculator. If it's on the AP test or anything like that, you're just going to write it like this. So again, the answer is 7.640, and again, it's really easy. You'll get this quick. Now we're going to do a practice problem. We're going to do 3x cubed minus 2x squared plus 4x minus 5 evaluated from negative 1.5 to 5. Yeah. All right. So first, you need to find the derivative. But I'm going to let you guys do that. All right, so Ms. Sanders, just pause the video here and come back when you think everyone has it. All right, let's just assume you're all done. Now, the derivative is 3, not 3. The derivative is 9x squared minus 4x plus 4. So, now you're going to plug that into here. So the integral from negative 1.5 to 5 of the square root of 1 plus 9x squared minus 4x plus 4 squared dx is equal to your value. Again, you're going to put it in on the calculator as function integer of this value, which I don't feel like writing again. Then you're going to put your variable of integration. You are going to put your lower limit, which in this case is negative 1.5. And then you're going to put your upper limit of integration, which is 5. You're going to close it and you're going to press solve. Now, the answer to this one is 365.858. That is the easiest thing. So, again, pretty simple. Now, you're going to do something a little weirder, but still just as easy. Alright, your next problem, because we can, is e to the negative 3x over 3 factorial. So, it's also going to be evaluated from 0 to ln of 4. Alright, so this is what you're going to solve. Now, if Ms. Sanders wants to pause the video, go ahead. If not, let's work on the answer. So, the derivative of this, since it's an e, what you have to do is, how does it go again? E to the u, actually, yeah, e to the u, right there, is equal to e to the u times u prime. Actually, you don't even need those. So it's e to the u times u prime. So what you're going to do is you're going to have negative, or e to the negative 3x, and you're going to pull out u prime, because to the negative 3x, the derivative of negative 3x is negative 3, so you're going to pull that out in front. So that's over 3 factorial. If you don't know, a factorial is one number, which they give you at the beginning, multiplied by all numbers that are of a lesser value of it. So this is equal to 3 times 2 times 1. 6. So
You have a good day, sir.
that is basically another way of saying factorial. Also, since you have 2 3's here, you can cross them out. So you're going to end up with the final derivative being negative e to the negative 3x over 2. So that's your derivative. Now you're going to take that and you're going to put it into your integration function. So it's going to be the integral from 0 to ln 4. I don't know why we chose ln 4, but it's an evil number. So times the square root of 1 plus your derivative, which is negative e to the negative 3x over 2 squared dx. It's equal to whatever you're going to get. Now, again, the way you're going to put this in your calculator is going to be math function integer, and then you're going to put the square root of 1 plus that, and you're going to put a comma, your variable of integration, which is x, a comma, your lower limit, which is 0, another comma, and your upper limit, which is going to be ln 4. Now, the answer to this one is 1.406. And that's how I solve it.